Hi guys, it's your not so handy handyman Robin here. Today I'm going to show you how I fixed or diagnosed my problem with something in the house or outside the house, I'd say. I didn't have any electricity output in one of my outlets here in our deck. So as you can see, this one here is not making our camera work. Right up there, if you can see that there's no light, so it means there's no electricity coming out from this electrical outlet. And as I've said, I'm your not so handy handyman. It's my first time to own a house, and I'm kind of cheap. I don't want to call an electrician immediately and cash out about $60 just to fix this simple problem. So if you've had this problem before, what I did was first you have to check downstairs the main circuit breaker if the switch is kind of turned off. So guys, this is what I'm talking about, main circuit breaker. So if any of these switches actually turned off, and well, every one of them is actually turned on, you have to just switch it back on so that everything looks the same. And the way you do that is you check here. Usually the electricians would write the which corresponding outlets or outlets these switches correspond to, right? So this one, let's say master bedroom, that would be in number 11. So 11, if you can see here, then 11 right here, right? Master's bedroom. Downstairs would be this one. In-floor heating, this one here would be here. So basically this is a picture that explains all these circuits here. And as I'm saying, everything here looks the same, and obviously I've got electricity down here, so the problem most likely is not here. So there's another solution. Well, the other solution that I discovered is that you can either buy a circuit tester or something like a digital circuit tester. You can buy those from Amazon or from Canadian Tire. Canadian Tire would sell them for about $6 or $20 in Amazon. There's a lot of different kinds of brands for the circuit tester. But then, let's say you don't want to spend that much. You just want to check, do something else in order to correct or fix that problem. I'm going to show you. Alright guys, so as I've mentioned a while ago, the first thing you can do is to test the outlet. If it's not working, probably plug in something that you actually know that works. Let's say an electric fan or a small lamp. If it doesn't work, still, you go downstairs and go to the main circuit board and check if everything looks normal. If that doesn't work, you can actually use a circuit tester if you have one at home. But as I've said, I'm your not so handy handyman. So what I discovered is something called a GFCI. It's called a ground fault circuit interrupter. Ground fault circuit interrupter. It's actually this button here. See? So if you're looking at this outlet here, this is not a normal electric outlet, because there are a couple of buttons here in the middle and right there. This is the ground fault circuit interrupter. So if this actually resets the whole outlet, okay? I don't want to explain everything about that, but basically, if this button is not depressed, let's say like that, oh, see, the lights turn off. In order for you to turn that on again, because you press the button, right? You press it down, you unpress it or depress it again, and there you go. What I'm trying to say is the electrical outputs in your house is actually connected in a series. I'm not an electrician, obviously, I'm a nurse, but then I discovered that these outlets are usually sometimes controlled by something like that, a ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI. Okay, I'm going to show you how it relates to the... Okay guys, so going back to this problem right here. As you can see, this outlet doesn't have that GFCI buttons, right? And I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna plug in this electric fan right here. I'm gonna plug it in. I'm gonna set it to, let's say, 3 or 2, and as you can see, there's no power, right? It's not making the fan work. So what do we do next? Usually this outlet is connected somewhere to another outlet in a series, electrical series inside the house, and usually that is controlled by a GFCI. So what you do is you look around your house or outside your house and look for those buttons. If you see any of those buttons unpressed and there's a red light, it means you have to reset it, because that is the one connected to that problem. I'll show you, okay? Okay guys, so what you do is you look inside your house and look for that ground fault circuit interrupter, okay? So you can see this outlet here has one, but then it's not depressed. If you can see that right there, see, it's not depressed, so it's not that one. Then if you go and look at the other one, this one doesn't have that GFCI thing. So you just continue looking around and look for something like that that is not depressed. Most of the times there would be those buttons in the washrooms. So this one is still okay, so it's not that one, but you have to look around. Sometimes the circuit or the ground, the GFCI is actually connected in your garage. So go into that garage and check if there's any GFCI buttons that you have to press down, okay? I'm gonna check if there's any outlets with that kind of button. This one is just a regular one. This one, no, I think it's a regular one. I checked that before. Okay, if it's not there, it should be outside the house now, right? Or check your rooms, but usually it's not connected to the ones inside your bedrooms. It's too far. It's too far. Okay, let's go outside. All right guys, let's go outside. So I am at my porch. As you can see, there's another electrical outlet here that exactly looks the same, and as you can see, there it is. This one is actually not pressed down, so I'll press it down like so. There, it's pressed down. Now we'll see if the outlet at my deck will actually work. I'm guessing it's probably the one that's connected to the one at the back of the house. Ooh, it's cold here. All right guys, going back here, I'm gonna plug this electric fan again into this problem outlet and see if it's going to work. See, it's actually working right now. See that? So there you go guys. It's a very useful and cheap, actually. You don't have to spend anything, just your time, to fix that kind of problem. So go look around. If you have the same issue, go look around inside the house and outside the house for that button, the ground fault circuit interrupter. And I hope this video helps. Okay, don't forget to subscribe for some more videos coming from your not so handy handyman. Thanks for watching though guys. Have a great day.